Hey, good morning. It's Drew Roque back with the bad audio Roque here. Today I am going to go over my trades for 11/22, 2023, of course. It's a good day. Woke up nice and early, got my workout in before the market opened, came back and had two failing scalps and one awesome scalp here. So let's take a look at the chart here. Starting off with a 60-minute, we're breaking out to the upside. We had this micro channel up to the top of the range here. It was pretty strong, and on the 15-minute and 5-minute, I saw another micro channel. We broke out to the upside on the 5-minute. I had this range set out here just in case if we're gonna really launch to the upside here, right? But as you can see, we had a failed breakout. Breakouts fail 80% of the time. Let's take a look at what happened here. I got in on some scalps, after seeing two strong bull bars. I was thinking, okay, maybe this is a trend from the open. But we were far above the EMA already. I'm about to burp. Excuse me. Yeah, I entered on buy market here. I kept my stop really small. I had my scalping ATM strategy open. I was testing trailing stops, but it wasn't even hitting in the profit. So got stopped out at a 1 point move there. And then I entered at the market up here because it looked like we were gaining a lot of momentum, but the market soon reversed. I closed out on this doji candle. This is bad follow through. I'm thinking that this is a failed breakout. As you can see, we got this strong bear bar to the downside next. Traders could have entered in on a stop below here, betting on the breakout reversal down. Strong or good risk to reward here. Put the risk up here, reward all the way down here, like a 3-to-1, 2-to-1, whatever, down to the bar 1 open at least. We had this flushing candle to the downside, engulfing the open, closing below the highs of what day was this? I think the 20th. So as this candle was forming, I entered on a sell market. I thought, at least we'd get another leg down. We had news coming up, so I was kind of nervous. We get this flush down to the downside. It was looking good for me. The candle started reversing up. Got a little nervous. Was wondering where I should put my stop loss. Waited for the candle to close. Put my stop loss here at the top of this wick, and this started flushing down. Great. So let's take a look at how this all looked here. Just gonna locate my video. So you can see breaking out to the upside. You can see that got filled here, but started moving down, left my stop wide. Put my sell stop at the bottom and open of that doji, that next candle here, right? So I got stopped, couple points, flush down to the downside. So I'm pretty happy about those trades. I was just trying to get a couple 2 point scalp. This looked like high probability to me, but I should have known that this was going to be a reversal, likely a reversal. So maybe I should have waited, a couple more bars, right? I prevented myself from taking a large loss. Normally you set your stop down below 1. We get flushed down to the downside. Let's see where I enter here. you're going to see me enter at the market, sell at the ask, and it's not going. Okay, whatever, I'll fast forward. So starting getting in profit here, looking good. Leave my stop wide. 3 points, looking good. It got as far down as that, like, 4.5 points. And I was considering taking profit, being that we were at this moving average. And I think in the future I will. I'll just go for those scalps right quick. Wait for further confirmation on my trade. This is big down, big up, or big up, big down trading range likely. So, obviously I'm getting spooked at this candle. We got a large reversal happening. This could easily test the top over here, but even if, like, I think I should have, I could have just left my stop really wide and then scaled in, right? So I have a tendency, but being that it was news happening on this candle, I didn't want to take any big risk. Like, we were getting good news after good news after good news in a bull trend market on the daily. So I didn't want to risk like this shooting up to the upside, right? So we started getting in profit. I moved my stop to break even, could shoot up to the downside, to the upside. Started getting in profit more, trailing the stop because I don't know where this is going. I move my limit down further and I bring my stop down lower, and finally I get filled. So I get filled around, I think it was like 6 points. I saw it go down to 7. I was pretty happy. So I'm ending the day positive with 30% total. This looks pretty good. I'm waiting for a further bounce to the upside if I were to get in more, but I'm going to learn my lessons and just call it a day from here. I'm ending the day positive on another green day, 30%, after, again, being negative. I was down about 35% up here and then got this 6-point move. So actually, I think it was like 30% total. And then, got this nice 6-point flush. So, that's it. I'm going to end the day there. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Or actually, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So, Friday, if the market is open on Friday. All right. Peace. Enjoy the day.